Hello, what's up guys? So today uh, I want us to look at gold. I want us to analyze gold and see what it's doing. So I'm gonna start my analysis from the daily time frame. We go all the way down to the 1 hour time frame and try to find entries so that you can be able to see what the market is giving us. So we'll start first by trying to understand what the market has been doing over the previous time. So we'll draw those trend lines just like this. So the first thing we should do in the market, first of all, is try to understand where the market is going. We should try to understand whether the market is bullish or bearish. So at this point, as we can see, the market has been trending upwards for the last few days, like for the last 1 month. And as you can see, the market has been giving us impulse corrections, and still as you can already see, the market is trending upwards very strongly. So we'll just go to the lower time frame and try to see what the market is doing there. So we'll go to the 4-hour time frame, go down to the 4-hour time frame and try to see what is happening there. Yeah, so guys, in the 4-hour time frame, you can see how clear this one is. The market has been giving us these impulse correction. I don't know if you can see this. We have that impulse there, it gave us this correction, then that impulse, this correction, then we have this impulse, then that small correction, we have that one. So the market gave us this impulse move, so we're expecting it to give us a correction, and maybe it will continue going up, or it can come all the way down here to test this support. So let's try and see. Let's draw these trend lines and see what the market will tell us. So as you can already see this one, so the market came up, gave us this impulse move correction, then it broke above this area right here, then we went up. Actually before this, you can already see down here, the market had already given us this nice head and shoulder. The market had already given us this nice head and shoulder, which is a very good sign that the market is going up. So after the market broke above this correction area, it gave us the right shoulder, then it continued going up. So guys, in this video I just want to show you how you can take advantage of these patterns in the market and be able to capitalize on them and make some money from them. So already this move did happen, this pattern did happen, and the market went up. Let's see if we can spot other patterns where the market is at the point. right now and see whether we can get some entries. Yeah, so guys, from the bigger time frame, this is what we can see from the bigger time frame. The market is still telling us that it's going up. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and try to see what the market is doing there. So the 1 hour time frame, we draw that these trend lines in the 1 hour time frame and see what is happening. So guys, as you can see, even in the 1 hour time frame, the market was still trending upwards. The market was still bullish even in the 1 hour time frame. Although, as you can see, when the market came all the way to this area above here, which was where the previous daily time frame, the daily trend line was, the market did give us this double top. We got this double top up here, which was, so the market did give us this double top over here, and this one, as you can see guys, some guys did take advantage of it and took short-term sales, but it doesn't mean that still the market was ready to go down all the way down. So maybe the market had come down to retest this area, around this area here. So let's see what happened here. So let me zoom out so that you can be able to see. So after the market gave us these double top, we did break below this area. We did break below this area, which was the immediate support that the market had respected for a very long time, as you can see. So the moment the market broke below this area, it gave some short-term sales to this area right here, as you can see guys. So but what I can say, when you look at this one, this is just a correction from the previous impulse that the market had already given us. So if you can see, this one was just an impulse, then this is just a correction. Actually, that's what is happening right now. So in this case, let me zoom in, and so that I can show you guys in this case what we're supposed to be doing. So in this case, the market has already come all the way down here to this area, which is our area of support, or we can call it the demand zone. So the market has come all the way to this area, and as you can see already, the market wasn't able to break below this area. It just gave us just that fake out. Then, as you can see, it started going up, and we can call this an impulse move. We can call this a correction. So at this point, we'll just wait and see what the market will be doing between this area around here, this area that the market is consolidating. We should be waiting and see what the market is doing around here. Then if the market does break above this area, this immediate high, then we should be going in for buys. So we can only take our entries if the market goes. We can only take our entries if the market comes out of this consolidation area. So at the moment there's no entries you can take at this point, because we don't see any clear pattern or reason to go in the market at this point. So we'll just wait and see if the market will break above this area. If the market will break above this area here, right here, so we'll take our entry at this point. We'll take our entry at this point. So we'll take our entry at this point, then our stop loss, we just put it down here. Just have our stop loss down here, then our take profit will be maybe this will be our first take profit. That's around 200 pips. Then our next take profit will be here. So for now, what you're looking at is the market is consolidating around this area. So the market can play around this area for some time, probably before it breaks out of this zone. So normally when you see a market like this, you normally wait for it to get out of this zone. You can't take a trade at this point because it's in a consolidation. The market won't move. So also if you look at this consolidation right here, we can see that the market actually is still in a correction from this small impulse move from down here. So you can see the market did come all the way to this area of support, then it gave us these double bottoms, and normally guys, when you see double bottoms, these are very, very, very powerful. These are very powerful patterns that we normally look at in gold, but you shouldn't always use the double bottoms alone. So you should normally use it with some other patterns and confirmations before you go in for your entries. So as you can see, the market did come all the way down here, gave us these double bottoms. Then after the market giving us this double bottom, it did break above this area. There's a trend line that is here. So the market did break above this area. So what the market is doing right now, guys, it's the market is just giving us a correction. The market is just giving us a correction, of which this is a correction to the upside. So just in case the market does break above this area, I've told you guys we're going for buys. But if the market doesn't break above that area, we'll still wait and see if it breaks below. Then we go in for sell. So what are you supposed to be doing here, guys? So at this point, we just wait and see what the market is doing, because you can't take an entry at this point because you don't know what the market will do next. Because as you can see, this is a consolidation, this is an impulse move. Then we have that correction that is happening right now. Yeah, guys, so we'll wait for this 1 hour candlestick to close above this area. Maybe if the market does break above this area, we'll wait for this 1 hour candlestick to close above this area. Maybe just like this. Then we can take our entry. At this point. Let me just draw it that just like this. Then we can take our entry at this point. our stop loss will be just right below this area. We put our stop loss down here, which will be maybe our immediate low. Then our take profit will be all the way up there, but we can still take some profit around these areas, because these are key areas that you should not ignore. So for instance, we can take our first take profit at this point. We can take our first take profit at this point. Then we can take our take profit too at this point. So you can hold all the way up here, or you can just take your take profit at this point and wait. So for now, guys, what we're doing is just waiting. If the market does break above this area, I'll take my buys. But if it doesn't, then what are we supposed to do if the market doesn't? So as you can see already, the market has given us these. Let me show you. The market has given us this area down here. There's a support down here in the 1 hour time frame. There's a support down here. So if the market doesn't break above that that high, immediate high that we have up there, what will happen, what is likely to happen is that the market will come down to test this area down here. So the market will come down to retest this area down here. If it doesn't break above this area, it will come down to retest above this area down here, and that will mean that you can take your short position from this point. Maybe take your sell position from that point, and this will be a short term to this point. That's around 150 pips, and your stop loss just right above that area maybe. Then you see how the market reacts around this area. See how the market reacts around this area. Then maybe we can go in again for more sales if it does break below this area down here. If it does break below this area, then we can go in for more sales. Then this one we can hold it all the way down here. Let's see where we can have our take profit one if the market does break below that area. We'll have our take profit, maybe take profit one at this point. The next one will be down here at this point. This will be our take profit 2 and take profit 3 at this point. At this point down here, that will be like around 700 pips. That's very beautiful. That's very good for gold, guys. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at gold right now. So we just wait and see what it does, and if it does give us an opportunity to go in, guys, so we take it, we don't forgive. So for now, as you can already see, the market is just consolidating around this area, this support area. Then we'll just wait and see what it does. Then we'll be looking for either buy opportunities or sell opportunities, depending on what the market is showing us, guys. So what we look for normally in gold, just in a market like this, just look at what the market is telling you, guys. So just don't take your entries blindly just because the market has already hit the support area. Now you want to take your buys maybe. or because the market has already hit the resistance area, now you want to take your sales. No guys, you normally wait for confirmation, at least have 3 confluences maybe before going in the gold market, because you know you don't want to find yourself in the wrong side of the gold market. And you know, sometimes guys, you cannot avoid losses, because there are sometimes when there's economic data that does affect the technical analysis, that doesn't respect the technical analysis, guys. So for now I'm anticipating this market, maybe it will break above this area, because already it had given us a double bottom. Then we had this strong bullish move here, then we're having a correction. So maybe I'm expecting the market to break above this area, then we can be looking for these buys. So let's see what the market does, guys. So yeah, please see you in my next video. I'll show you what the market did. Yeah, so bye.